Hey y'all, and I am back with another try-on haul. My name is Hammer, and this time we are back with some more pajamas. Pajamas, which is y'all favorite. I know y'all love the pajamas. So I found more pajamas in my closet, pajamas that I already had, old inventory, and all that good stuff. Like this right here is the very first onesie pajama that I designed myself. Yeah, it was called cuffing season. That's what this one is called, cuffing season, and it's perfect. It's perfect for the winter season. Yeah, and it does have a butt flap on the back of it. See? It did have a butt flap. Yeah, and it's super duper comfortable. This is back when they were making, like when the manufacturers were making the long pants so good. They used to make them big and all that stuff. Yes. But this is so cute. It got the 3 buttons on there. I let a couple of them out. Yeah. Not doing too much. So yeah. And yeah, I really like this one. But this one be my first one that I ever made. Well, no, this is not my first one that I ever made. This is my, I think this is my second one. It's my second one that I designed myself. So yeah. Yeah. I like the little butt flap though. Going to the back. But yeah, what y'all think? Y'all like this one? Y'all like this one? Let me know. Let me know. Y'all, so I got another one, and what I was gonna say, I don't think I have any extras of the cupping season. I might have some extras of the cupping season. I have to dig deep in my closet. But anyway, so this next one is a fun look, and I know y'all can tell what this is. This is called Twister. And this is like a little fun, pajama onesie that I had made, Twister game inspired. It's perfect for game night. And this one does have a butt flap too. Yeah. So nice. This is so nice. This would be perfect for game night. And I don't have any extras of this one, but I do have this in short pants with a butt flap, but it's tank though. So it's more so for the spring, summer season. So yeah, I do have like a small and a medium in this, but it's tank and it's short. And it has a butt flap, so. But yeah, I like this though. Like I have like a full collection of, oldies that I can wear like anytime for like any occasion. And yeah, like I can wear this playing the Uno game for game night. Yeah. Yep. Okay. What y'all think about this one? Y'all like this one? Y'all said y'all wanted more pajamas. Y'all voted for more pajamas. So here is the pajamas. This one has 3 buttons on as well. All right. About to get into the next one. I don't have no more commentary, y'all. But we're about to get into the next one, though. right, y'all. Last but not least, and I know y'all know what this is. This one was called Breakfast on Me. Breakfast on Me, because breakfast is literally on me, okay? So yeah, it got the bacon, hash brown, waffle, eggs, and yeah, and it got the No Sleep Boutique logo on there. This is definitely Waffle House inspired, you know. No copyright, no trademark, nothing. What? It's definitely giving Waffle House inspired. I do have one extra in this, but it's short pants. It's short pants and it's elbow length and it has a butt flap. So that's on the site. Well, it's currently, as of this video, it's on the site right now. So if you want this design, but it is like a little, it's an updated design of this. So yeah, anyway. But yeah, this one doesn't have a butt flap, but the shape is shaping. But the shape is shaping, but it does not have a butt flap. Yeah. So yeah, this is super comfortable. But anyways, that's it. That's all I got for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I will see y'all next year. Yes, I would definitely see y'all next year because my next video will definitely be in January. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you turn on the post notification so you can know exactly when I drop a new video. And if you made it towards the end of this video, make sure you drop a purple heart. All right, y'all. Have a good one. I will see y'all next year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Enjoy. Be safe. All right. Bye.